Hello guys, can you hear me? Hi, welcome to MBC Education and welcome to Roblox. Okay, let's just wait a few seconds for others to join. Okay guys, can you hear me? Write in the chat if you guys can hear me. Okay guys, so we're gonna start and welcome to MBC. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Hello? Alright guys, welcome to MBC Education, and today we're gonna have a Roblox game. So welcome, and I'm happy to join you guys join me today. Alright, and please write me in the chat if you guys can hear me. Right, type in the chat and let's go. Okay, let's just wait for the people they didn't join yet. Alright guys, so welcome to Roblox live edition. Okay, so today we have Roblox game for the people who like to play Roblox. All right, and I want to introduce myself. You already some of you already know my name is Teacher Raza, and I have experience more than 3 years teaching kids, and I'm a teacher at MBC Education. All right, so instruction for you. This session will be around 1 hour, and I want you to watch and try to follow what I'm doing. And also, if you have any question, you can write it down in the chat, right? In the live chat. If you have any question, anything you want to ask, you can just type it. All right, and also I have to I want to tell you that we have competition, right? So we have some prize also to be won. So guys, I'm gonna let you know in the end what's the competition, and stay tuned, right? So our game over here, for the people who play in Roblox or like to play Roblox and learn about Roblox. So our players, joining and playing together, and when they're going back and the road going back, they get kidnapped by other people, right? So there is some people try to kidnap our players, all right, Roblox player, and they take them away and try to kidnap them. And let's see over here, so they kidnap them and they put them inside a scary maze. So the maze you're gonna create, or we're gonna create, is we have to search for them, try to give them a way out of the maze, right? Also the police is searching for us with too, right? Okay, so let's go to Roblox and let's try to save these kids, right? So let's go, and I want you to go to Roblox right now. For the people who don't have Roblox, I want to show you how to open Roblox. Okay, so I want you to just write Roblox, try to search about Roblox Studio and try to download it. Okay, so after you download it, the game is gonna look like this, right? This is our game. So our mission is to try to they put them inside this maze. So our our mission over here is try to create escape door. We have to escape from the maze. So after you play, we're gonna create a door, way out of the door. Now if we try to go out of the door, we cannot. So what we're gonna do over here, we're gonna try to put a button that will open the door for us. So we're gonna write script for the button as well. As you can see here, I already pressed the button and it changed color, and now I can go out and I can choose any car to run from this maze, right? Okay, so let's go and try to open new best plate. Okay, just wait for it to upload. Alright, after it's upload, it's a bit laggy, just wait. Alright, so first we're gonna, the one who don't have this explore and properties, I want you to hit to view, right? Let's just close it. Alright, if you open it like this, you just go to view. From view, I want you to click on explore and properties, and here you go. Okay, so in the beginning we're gonna try to create the maze. Alright, so we're gonna try to create maze, and after that we're gonna try to program it. So from here you can go to part, you can create your own maze. For me, I will try to make this maze over here. Okay, let's just look up over here. Okay, so we're gonna put the maze over here. You can make any size that you want, and after that we're gonna try, let's see which maze we're gonna try to duplicate. Alright, let's just put it over here. This is our walls right now. Okay, can just click duplicate, or maybe you just click copy and paste. Alright, okay, now we're gonna head to the other side as well. You can create your own maze. Okay, I will just try to put the middle over here. Now you can just go with the walls, right? Okay, let's come close so we can press on it. Okay, so you can create your own maze. For me, I will just create like that. Oops. Let's try to create walls over here like that. Okay, and you can just duplicate, and I will just rotate. I will try to make them like this. You can make any you can make your own design, right? Your own maze. Okay, so we're gonna create this one over here, and let's try to create the walls as well, side walls. Just take our part over here and let's scale it. Okay, let's say like that, and we're gonna try to make little bit empty for the door. We're gonna add another part over here. It's gonna be our door to escape from this maze, right? And also you can change the colors from here. We're gonna try to change some colors. Okay, right, okay, as well. Okay, this is our colors over here. And also you can change the material. All right, let's give it neon maybe. Oh, it's too bright. let's try to give it, all right, okay. All right, so try to create your own, choose any material that you like. Okay, let's try to make this one as a glass. Okay, change the color as well. All right, so right now we're gonna create small maze, but you can make it as big as you want. So we're not finished yet. Okay, let's try to create a few of them over here. All right, let's try to create it like this. All right, that's good. All right, come close. Let's see how is our walls. Okay, this look good right now. Let's try to scale this one away. That's good. So right now, what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna anchor all of them. Okay, but over here we're gonna try to create the door. So over here is gonna be one the way out, number one, and also over here if you want two way out. You can create anything that you feel you like it. Okay, anything that you like. For me, I will just create like this. Maybe you can add few if you like. So right now, make sure that you anchor them. Try to select all of them and click anchor over here. Now let's try to add small part, which is going to be our door. Just take it over here. All right, let's just scale it. Okay, over here we're gonna try to scale, make our walls. Okay, okay, this is the first door. So you can make it a bit different. I will try to give it different color. All right, let's choose this blue for example, and we're gonna make it, yeah, I think that's good. All right, so right now this is the door. So let's try to anchor it, and also if we click play right now, you can see let's try to scale it nicely. All right, like this. Okay, all right, that's good. So this is the maze right now. So what you're gonna do right now, we're gonna try to test our walls. How is it in our door? You just click play over here and let's try it. Let's see, can we walk through the doors or no? Through the walls, the door, everything we're gonna test. All right, that's good. So what is our door? Is on the other side. All right. So we're gonna come over here, and this is our door, but we cannot go out yet. So what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna create a button that when we click on this door is gonna be we can go out. So we can duplicate this door. We're just gonna drag it over here. Okay, and we're gonna give it different color, right? All right, and let's give it this IC. Okay, now we're gonna try, this is the part we're gonna create. We're gonna call it, rename it as a door. Okay, okay, now over here we're gonna head to properties. From appearance, we're gonna try to change the transparency. So we're gonna click, for example, we're gonna click 1 is too much. Let's click maybe 0.5, so it's gonna be have transparency. All right, and also this one as well. This is the part. Okay, let's try to program this door first. So what we're gonna do right now is we gonna try to put the button right now. Maybe we're gonna try to put small bricks over here, and let's try to move it up from the ground, and we can hide it somewhere over here. Okay, yes, maybe we're gonna hide it somewhere over here, and let's try to give it different color, maybe red, and this one is gonna be neon, like that. All right, this is our part. Okay, so our player can jump as well. So we're gonna anchor this part right now. Click on this part right now, and let's try to change the name, rename it. We're gonna call it as button, for example. Okay, now click on this button and click on this plus. So right now we're gonna try to write the script for this button to open the door for us. So we're gonna click this plus sign, and you're gonna look for script. If you couldn't find it over here, just click over here. You can show there is a lot of things over here, or maybe you can just search about script over here. All right, so this is the script right now, and we're gonna try to write our script. So our script right now, we're gonna try to make local function. We're gonna try to write local button. Okay, give it some space, and we're gonna say equal. So space local button. Now we're gonna try to write the script for the button, and we're gonna say script dot parent. So we're gonna write the script for the first one, which is the button. We're gonna write the local function. So right now another local, which is gonna be for our door. But where is our door? So our door is gonna be, we're gonna tell the game, okay game, there is one door or one part in game dot workspace. This one is workspace. All of this is workspace, right? So this is our workspace. So we're gonna tell to the game, okay game, in workspace there is one part called door. Okay, what I want you to do with this door, we're gonna write function. So the function is gonna link the door to our local function. So we're gonna write over here local function. Okay, now what we want to do, we're gonna write button pressed. Okay, when the button pressed, what we want to do, we're gonna first, when we touch it, we want it to print for us that we touch this part. All right, so we're gonna say, for example, in the beginning, I want you to print, for example, button touch. For example, we're gonna say button touch, or you can just say anything, like for example. All right, so we're gonna write button touch. All right, so now let's try to link it first before we try it. So we're gonna say button, all right, button dot touch. Okay, we're gonna link it to our, we're gonna connect it to our button pressed. Okay, so this is our button pressed. Right now, if we try to go and touch it, he will print for us button touch. So let's go to view again, and I want you to bring output. This is, you can see the script that you are writing. So it's gonna show us the result of the output of our code, right? Right now, let's try to click play. We put our spawn location in the middle, so we're gonna just wait, let it upload. This is our spawn location, and let's go ahead to the, we put it on the right, I guess. Oh, is in the other side. Yes, is in the other side. So we're gonna go over here, and we're gonna try to touch this button. Now when we touch it, he said the button touch over here. You can see we already touched it 10 times. Okay, Yes, so that means our button is working. All right, so let's go back to our script to finish. Okay, let me zoom a little bit for you guys to can see. All right, now let's head to this line over here. So after we print the first one, which is button touch, we're gonna write something different. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna do three things. First, we're gonna change the transparency, and also we're gonna change the color of the door, or sorry, the color of the button, so that we know our local function is working. And also we're gonna change the can collide. So after we write print button touch, now we're gonna write another one, which is, let's try to write break color. Try to change the color. Is gonna equal break color space equal to break color dot new. All right, so right now, for example, we're gonna try to write numbers. This numbers, every color have number. So let's say, for example, it's gonna be 0.4 and space comma space 0.7 comma 0. Let's say 2. Right. All right, so this is the first color. We write it over here. Now what are we gonna do right now? Now we're gonna write the door transparency. So we're gonna write over here door. We're gonna say door equal to transparency. Okay, sometimes it's show, sometimes it's not, but we're not gonna write equal, sorry, we're gonna write dot. So dot, we're gonna go to transparency. See you guys here, maybe you're gonna write it, some of you you already see it over here, the options that we in the game. So we're gonna say door transparency. So right now we make it first is gonna equal to 0.5, but over here we're gonna try to make it 1. All right, so first with this one we're gonna write enter. Now let's try to change the other option for the door, which is door dot can collide over here is gonna equal to false, which is gonna take it out. So right now we already create some of this right now, and first we write the local for the button, and we're gonna try we write code for the local. Right now the function is gonna be first for when we touch the part, we want him to tell us that we touch it. Another thing, which is the break color of the button is going to change, and over here the transparency is going to be from 0.5 to be 1, and over here the can collide, which is false, which is going to make us contract with this door. For now, if we try to walk before we play, we couldn't go through. And also the color is red right now, right? Let's see what's gonna happen when we click run after we change. So let's hit and click play, and let's go to test our game. Okay, so we're gonna say you're gonna come this way, and you're gonna head to your button. See, right now we cannot go through. See, we cannot go through the door, only if we touch this button. So when we touch it, okay, it's still red. Okay, it should change, but the numbers that we write it is for red. So now we can go out. Okay, let's try to change the numbers so we can give us different color. So the number we write it is already for red, so he didn't change it, but maybe we can write over here 0.8, this one is 0.2, this one is gonna be 0.6, for example. And we're gonna click play again, and let's try it. Now we have to run from our maze. Okay, let's try to walk. Now let's touch our part over here. We have something with the break color. So we have our way out from this maze. This is the first door, right? Alright, so right now try to write the script. Let me zoom it a little bit for you guys so you can read it. First over here we're gonna write, we forgot to write over here, which is which part we want to change. Which part we want to change the color. This is why it didn't change. We're gonna write over here, which is button. We're gonna add button break color because we want to change the button color, right? So we're gonna say button. Okay, we're gonna say button dot break. Okay, dot break color. All right, we already have it. Okay, now it's cool. It's gonna be here equal break color dot new. So right now in line number 6 we forgot to write the button color. We just make it general, so this is why it didn't run with us. So right now we change, we write before the break color, we're gonna write button dot break color equal break color dot new, and write any numbers that you want. All right, and now let's try to test it. Now let's see what the number is gonna give us. Okay, this is the way. All right, so now we're gonna touch the bricks and he changed the color, and now our door is open, so we can run right now. Okay, just my mouse is a bit messy. All right, right now you can also do the same for the second door over here. Right now we cannot go out of this door, so we're gonna try to program it to do the same as well. You can also do how we're gonna do it. It's gonna be similar code or script. First you're gonna click on this part. You have to change it to rename it to door, so you're not gonna get mistake. We're gonna say door 2, for example. Okay, now we're gonna try to add another button. So let's try to hide the button over here, for example. Let's try to put it over here. All right, or maybe over here, yeah, near to our spawn location. Let's try to add part. Okay, and let's try to move it a little bit up, and you can change any color you want, doesn't matter, because your script is gonna change it. Okay, let's make it green. So over here we're gonna click on this button, on this part. We're gonna change the name to be button. Right click, go to rename. Over here we're gonna say button 2 as well, for example, for us to not get mistake between the two of them. So let's hit and click plus sign over here on the button 2, the one we just create, and we're gonna write the script, but little bit change, which is the door's name. So first we're gonna say local is gonna equal to our button. We're gonna say button 2. Okay, next is gonna be local is gonna equal to our door 2. Okay, but over here we're gonna write the same dot equal what? Local button local button 2 is equal to script dot parent. Okay, so we can link all the locals. Again, local door 2 is equal to the game, what is the place of our part, game dot workspace dot door 2. That's correct. Now let's hit and write local function. Okay, we're gonna write local function for this door. and we're gonna write over here button touched or button pressed, for example. Okay, so it's gonna be the same way as we write this one. So it's gonna be pressed, and we're gonna open breaks. All right, right now what are we gonna do inside this function? Now we're gonna say we wanna print, for example, you touch it, or you can go out right now. You can go out. Let's say, for example, you can write anything. Again, if we touch it right now, if we test it and we go touch it, he will send us this message, you can go out. Now, right, let's try to change the button color, right? So we're gonna say button 2 dot break color is gonna equal to the break color, yes, dot new. All right, now we can write the numbers, for example 0 comma, another one is going to be 0.9 comma 0.3. Let's see what is this number, what is this color number. Now let's try to click enter, and let's go to write the other function. Okay, you can just write the same things, the same code, and also you can we're gonna try to write another code as well. And also you can copy and paste the one that you don't like to write all the code. You just can write, you can just copy all of this and paste it over here and just change the door's name. Right, we can do this as well. Right, let's try to delete this one to be easy and faster, and we're just gonna click, oops, we're just gonna click copy, and over here we're gonna hit paste. Right now we're gonna try to change over here, which is button 2. Okay, and here is gonna be door 2. This one here is door 2. Yes, correct. And over here, let's try to see, over here we have button 2. He already show you that with the link, with the line under it. Okay, now we're gonna say we're only gonna change the few things that really necessary, and also the colors if you guys want, like 0.3, 0.6 and 0.1, for example. And let's hit play and go and check it. Now we have 2 ways out. Oops, we forgot to anchor our part, our button. So first we're gonna go to the game, and this one we're gonna anchor it. Okay, that's good. And yes, now let's click play and see. Alright, so this is the part for this door. We're just gonna touch it over here. It changed to blue, and I can just go out from here. It changed from green to blue, and we can go out over here. So now over here, the way out, you can maybe put your car, put anything that you want to add inside your game. And also, let's say for the people who like to play, use toolbox, I mean, you can also change the sky. For example, you can just drop it over here, and let's try to make it, you can add your own things over here, right? Let's try to make it at dark, and you can put some lights over here. You can make it a bit bigger, right? So this is small maze that you can create with the script, Okay, you have to stop the game and add the things that you want inside your game. You cannot add it while you're playing, right? Okay, let's go over here. You can search for few things over here. Let's try to add it and see. Alright, just wait for it, let it upload. Okay, this is the sky that you want, and over here this is your small maze, right? So right now you can add few things that from the toolbox. For example, monsters. You can add killers. You have to run before you have to touch the part and go out before they catch you, right? So to make the game more interesting for you, right? You can add killers over here. All right, you can search anything that you want. For me, I'm just gonna make it simple. Maybe I'm gonna add this monsters over here, like killer. All right, and we have to run away before they kill us. Right, we have to run away from this maze. Right, let's try to put one over here, another one is over here, and let's see if we can. Right, so you can try to add few things that you really like from toolbox, and outside you can put the car, you can put plane, anything that you really like. Okay, there is some sound really loud, so you guys can test it. Alright, so this is your game, and let's go back to our presentation. Right, so right now we're done with this one over here, and I want to show you let's go to our MBC education platform. Right, so I want to show you how you guys can join the test, and also how you guys can okay, just let it upload. So this is the website of MBC Education, right? This is all the courses over here for the people who like to play Scratch, Minecraft, Python, also Roblox, 3D modeling, right? And Python Advanced. So let's say, for example, we have Roblox over here. You have about 35 lessons, and every lesson you have different game to learn. You're gonna learn how to script, you're gonna learn how to create games, also playing with your friend, how to publish your game. There is a lot of things. And also, for example, over here there is the lesson. They have short videos that you can watch it if you wanna study by yourself. You can just watch the video and try to apply inside your game. Okay, you can watch the video and apply it, practice, make all the things, and answer your homework over here. Right, so you have to publish your homework over here. Right, so they have every lesson. Let's go back over here, and maybe you like Minecraft, or maybe you like Scratch, or maybe you like, so anything that you like, you can try it. Okay, and there are 35 lessons. There is a lot of game inside Roblox. Okay, let's let it upload. Let me show you about let's see, 3D modeling for the people who like to make designing and also 3D objective. Right, okay, let's say, for example, over here you have 35 lessons. Okay, so this is the things that you're gonna learn. They are inside the videos, you're just gonna open it one by one and follow with the teacher. Okay, so this one you're gonna create over here. All right, so now we're gonna go and I want to show you Minecraft. Just let it upload. All right, okay, this is Minecraft as well for the people who like to play Minecraft. You have also 35 lessons. So Minecraft, you're gonna learn how to program in Minecraft and how to build and how to do a lot of things using program language, right? Okay, so this is the lesson how to machine gun, right? This is how you can learn and also submit your homework over here. Is the end of every lesson there is homework you have to do, right? So over here for the course informations for our website, right, you have to visit and try to choose your courses. You have 7 courses over here. You can choose the things that you want. We have camps also with the teacher. So over here all the details that you want to know more about MBC education, right, you can visit. There is link in the chat right now and you can guys visit and check it out. All right, you guys have 6-month access to any program language courses in our platform. You have creative homework. You have also certificate of the lesson, right? So that's all. So let me tell you about the competition, right? So our competition right now is, I want you to, we already learned how to change the blocks and materials and also how to control the camera, also how to add script inside our game and how to make scripting to open doors, run from the maze and other things. So our things, what we're gonna do over here is where we stop. Yes, so our contest over here is, I want you to create a game based on what you learn inside this lesson over here. And just 1 minute. All right, so I want you to add to create game based on your concept of what we have learned today, and I want you to make your own maze and try to add your own character from the toolbox, the character that you want them, the things you like to be inside your game. And also I want you to change all the colors, and you can change the music. You can put your favorite from toolbox. And also I want you to submit, you write the script, right? So you have to build your own maze using the script that you have learned today. And also you have time until 12 p.m. so you have to submit your work until tomorrow 12 p.m. and the winner is gonna have 50 ringgit coupon from MBC Education, right? And also it's gonna be your name is gonna be announced in our social media accounts. All right, guys, so try to join and try to check all the links right now in the chat. And also guys, if you have any question you can also write it. So you're gonna write your own maze, you're gonna create your own maze, and you're gonna submit it to our link over here in our inside our groups. All right, and the winner, you're gonna get 50 ringgit coupon, right, from MBC Education. All right, guys, so try to check right now the links and try to visit. And also you can guys WhatsApp us if you guys have or you guys need anything. All right, let me open the chat and see how you guys are doing. Okay, yes, So I think that's all for today, and you guys have good evening, and I will see you guys soon. Make sure that you join with your project, and try to save it and send us to our platform, right? And I will see you guys soon, right? All right, thank you for your time, and I hope to see you, and goodbye for today.